Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use tags in Activecampaign. Tags are one of the most powerful tools in your marketing toolbox because they allow you to organize your contacts in a meaningful way. By using tags, you can categorize contacts based on behavior, engagement, interests, or even the stage of their customer journey. This segmentation allows you to send more personalized messages, create smarter campaigns, and improve engagement overall. First, head over to the Activecampaign website. Once there, locate the login button in the upper right corner of the homepage, click it, and enter your account credentials. If you manage multiple accounts, make sure you select the correct one, as tags and campaigns are specific to each account. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at your dashboard. This is your central hub for managing contacts, automations, campaigns, and more. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout because it will make navigating easier as we move forward. Next, click on the Contacts tab in the top navigation menu. This will bring up a full list of all your contacts stored in Activecampaign. In this section, you can add new contacts, manage existing ones, and importantly, assign tags. Tags are visible in each contact's profile, so you'll always know what category or segment a contact belongs to. To work with a contact, simply click on their name to open their detailed profile. Here, you'll see all of their contact information, activity history, and the tags that have already been applied. The tag section is usually easy to find, often near the top of the profile or under a dedicated tab labeled Tags. To add a tag, click in the tag field and start typing a keyword. If a tag already exists, it will appear as a suggestion, allowing you to quickly select it. If it's a new tag, type it out completely and press enter to create it. For example, you might tag a contact as lead, newsletter subscriber, or high value customer. To remove a tag, simply click the small X next to the tag you want to delete. Using tags effectively allows you to segment your audience in powerful ways. For instance, you can send targeted emails to contacts who have shown interest in a specific product or service, or create automation workflows that trigger based on the tags applied. This kind of organization ensures that your campaigns reach the right people with the right message at the right time, which significantly improves your chances of engagement and conversion. The great thing is that any changes you make to your tags are automatically saved. There's no need to hit a separate save button, so you can quickly add, edit, or remove tags as your strategy evolves. Take some time to experiment with different tagging strategies. Try combining multiple tags or even using tags to track customer behavior over time. By the end of the day, tags can become one of your most valuable tools in Activecampaign. They help you keep your contacts organized, ensure your communications are personalized, and give you the ability to create smarter, more effective campaigns. Take your time to explore the tagging feature, practice applying tags to different contacts, and notice how it improves your workflow. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks to get the most out of Activecampaign. Happy tagging!